Our today's topic for discussion is vitamin B3 and B5. In this lecture, we will discuss about the chemistry, absorption, function, deficiency, and the sources of both of these two vitamins. So, coming to the chemistry of vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is also known as niacin, nicotinic acid, or vitamin PP. It is a water-soluble B complex vitamin. This vitamin refers to two pyridine derivatives. The first is the nicotinic acid and the second is the nicotinamide. So pyridine is the heterocyclic ring present in the vitamin. This is the pyridine ring which is present in the structure of vitamin. In nicotinic acid, this pyridine ring is bound to the carboxyl group, and in nicotinamide this is bound to the carboxamide group. This is the carboxamide group. Both of these are highly stable to heat and stable to alkali and acid. Coming to the absorption and transport of nicotinic acid. Nicotinic acid and nicotinamide are absorbed in a small intestine and reach various tissues through circulation, where they are converted to NAD and NADP. Now coming to the function of vitamin B3. Nicotinamide is a component of two coenzymes NAD and NADP. NAD is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and NADP is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Coming to the deficiency of niacin. Niacin deficiency causes pellagra, in which skin, gastrointestinal tract and nervous system are affected. Dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia are the characteristic symptoms of pellagra. Now, what are the sources? Whole grains, peanuts, legumes, yeast, liver, fish, and meat are the good sources. Milk and egg are the poor sources of niacin but rich sources of tryptophan. Tryptophan is the amino acid which is required in the synthesis of this vitamin. Vegetables and the fruits are the poor sources of niacin. Now coming to the chemistry of pantothenic acid, that is vitamin B5. Pantothenic acid is also a water-soluble vitamin. It is synthesized from the amino acid beta-alanine and the pantoic acid. Pantoic acid is dihydroxy dimethyl butyric acid. It is stable to heat but unstable to alkali or acid. And this is the structure of pantothenic acid. Now coming to the absorption. Intestinal phosphatases release pantothenic acid from the dietary sources. Free pantothenate or its salts are freely absorbed in the intestine and reach various tissues through circulation. Now what are the function of vitamin B5? Pantothenic acid is a component of coenzyme, participates in several enzymatic carbohydrate, lipid and amino acid metabolism. It serves as a carrier of acyl groups during fatty acid biosynthesis. Now the deficiency of vitamin B5. It causes burning feet, abdominal cramps, restlessness and fatigue in humans. Now what are the sources? Organ meat, liver, milk, whole cereals, legumes and eggs are the good sources. Vegetables and the fruits are the poor sources of this vitamin. So this is all about vitamin B3 and B5. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for your time.